Raising livestock has been a staple of human agriculture for centuries, offering not only sustenance but also economic opportunities for farmers. Among the myriad options available, goats and pigs stand out due to their unique benefits and challenges. In this video, we'll dive deep into the nuances of raising goats versus pigs, analyzing factors such as feeding costs, space requirements, potential income, and other crucial considerations to determine which livestock can bring higher returns. 1. Overview of goat and pig farming. Goat farming, or caprine husbandry, is a practice that has been around for millennia. Goats are versatile animals, providing milk, meat, fiber, and even companionship. They are hardy creatures, known for their ability to adapt to various climates and terrains. Pig farming, or swine husbandry, is another ancient practice. Pigs are highly valued for their meat, which is a staple in many cuisines worldwide. Pigs are known for their rapid growth rate and high reproductive capacity, making them a popular choice for meat production. 1. Feeding costs. Goats. They are known for their browsing behavior, which means they prefer to eat a variety of plants, including leaves, shrubs, and grasses. This can reduce feeding costs if there is access to natural forage. However, supplemental feeding is often necessary, especially during dry seasons or in areas with limited vegetation. Feed types: hay, silage, grains, and commercial goat feed. Cost considerations. Feed costs can vary, but goats generally require less feed compared to pigs. On average, a goat consumes about 3–4% of its body weight in dry matter per day. Pigs. They are omnivores and have a voracious appetite. They require a balanced diet rich in proteins, fats, and carbohydrates for optimal growth. Commercial pig feed is often used to meet their dietary needs. Feed types: commercial pig feed, grains, kitchen scraps, and pasture, for free-range pigs. Cost considerations. Feeding pigs can be more expensive due to their higher daily intake. On average, a pig consumes about 5–7% of its body weight in feed per day. 1. Space requirements. Goats. Goats are relatively small and agile, requiring less space compared to larger livestock. They can be housed in simple shelters, and their pens should provide ample room for movement and foraging. Space considerations. Each goat requires approximately 10–15 square feet of indoor space and 200,250 square feet of outdoor space for grazing. Shelter needs. Goats need protection from extreme weather conditions, so a well-ventilated but secure shelter is essential. Pigs. Pigs require more space due to their size and rooting behavior. They need sturdy enclosures to prevent escape and to withstand their strength. Space considerations. Each pig requires about 8–10 square feet of indoor space and 20–30 square feet of outdoor space. Shelter needs. Pigs need a robust shelter that protects them from harsh weather, with proper ventilation and bedding to keep them comfortable. 1. Potential income. Goats. They offer multiple revenue streams, including milk, meat, fiber, such as cashmere and mohair, and live sales. Dairy goats can produce a significant amount of milk, which can be sold directly or processed into cheese, yogurt, and other dairy products. Milk production. A dairy goat can produce 1–3 liters of milk per day. Meat production. Goat meat, chevin, is lean and nutritious, with increasing demand in many markets. Fiber production. Certain breeds, like Angora and Cashmere goats, produce valuable fibers. Live sales. Goats can be sold as breeding stock or pets. Pigs. They are primarily raised for their meat, which can be sold fresh or processed into various products like bacon, ham, and sausages. Pigs have a high reproductive rate, allowing for a steady supply of piglets for sale. Meat production. A market-ready pig can yield around 70–80% of its live weight in meat. Reproductive rate. Pigs can produce large litters, with sows giving birth to 10–12 piglets per litter on average. Processed products. Value-added products like cured meats can increase profitability. 1. Other factors to consider are as follows. Labor and management. Goats. They are relatively low maintenance, requiring regular feeding, health checks, and hoof trimming. They can be more challenging to manage in terms of fencing, as they are known for escaping. Pigs. Pigs require more intensive management, including regular feeding, cleaning, and health care. Their strong rooting behavior can lead to damage in pastures and pens, necessitating robust fencing. Health and disease management. Goats. Goats are generally hardy but can be susceptible to parasites and diseases like coccidiosis and pneumonia. Regular deworming and vaccinations are essential. Pigs. Pigs can suffer from diseases like swine flu, foot and mouth disease, and respiratory infections. Biosecurity measures and vaccinations are crucial for maintaining herd health. Environmental impact. Goats. Goats have a lower environmental impact due to their smaller size and grazing habits. They can help control brush and weeds, reducing the risk of wildfires. Pigs. Pigs can have a more significant environmental impact due to their rooting behavior, which can lead to soil erosion and nutrient runoff. Proper waste management is essential to mitigate these effects. 1. Conclusion. Which livestock brings higher returns? Determining which livestock brings higher returns depends on various factors, including market demand, available resources, and personal preferences. Ultimately, the decision to raise goats or pigs should be based on a thorough assessment of your specific circumstances and goals. Both goats and pigs offer unique advantages and challenges, and with proper management, either can be a profitable venture. Exploring both options further and experimenting on a small scale can help you make an informed decision that aligns with your resources and aspirations. Whether you choose the versatile goat or the prolific pig, dedication and careful planning are key to achieving high returns in livestock farming. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Happy farming!